Hello everyone, my name is Lena. Today we will learn English together, slowly, step by step. If you are a beginner, do not worry. This video is for you. First, listen carefully. You can learn English? Yes, you can. Repeat after me. I can learn English. I can learn English. Very good. Making mistakes is okay. Repeat. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. Now I have a question for you. Why do you want to learn English? Maybe for work, maybe for travel, maybe for school, or maybe for fun. All reasons are good. Now, let's speak together. Repeat after me. My name is Lena. My name is... Say your name. Very good. I like English. I like English. I practice every day. I practice every day. Now, listen carefully. I speak. You listen. I learn English every day. I speak slowly and clearly. I am improving step by step. Now repeat. I am improving step by step. Now let's read together. Listen and repeat. Today is a good day. I study English today. I feel happy. I feel happy. Now, take a moment. Write this sentence. I learn English every day. I learn English every day. I learn English every day. Good job. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes is good. Repeat. I practice every day. I practice every day. Believe in yourself. Repeat. I can do it. I can do it. I am confident. I am confident. Learning English is a journey. Go slowly. Do not stop. Repeat. I never give up. I never give up. You are doing great. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.